honest truth.
They'll know my opinion of court packing when the election is over.
This whole thing is complete bullshit.
Kung Fu!
Sir, I've got to ask you about packing the courts, and I know that you said yesterday you aren't going to answer the question until after the election, but this is the #1 thing that I've been asked about from viewers in the past couple of days.
Well, you've been asked by the viewers who are probably Republicans who don't want me continuing to talk about what they're doing to the court right now.
We support that 100%. Yeah.
Well, sir, don't the voters deserve to know?
No, they don't. I'm not going to play his game.
Hey, what the hell, man?
No, they don't. I'm not going to play his game.
You suck!